Hello guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge World. China's People's Liberation Army PLA has already surpassed the US in missile development and its numbers of warships and air defense systems under the Chinese Communist Party's plan to achieve dominance by 2049, the Defense Department said in a sobering report Tuesday. The ultimate goal of the People's Republic of China or PRC is to develop a military by mid-century that is equal to or in some cases superior to the US military or that of any other great power that the PRC views as a threat, the DoD annual report to the Congress said. To that end, the PRC has marshaled the resources, technology, and political will over the past 2 decades to strengthen and modernize the PLA in nearly every respect, the report said. Under the national strategy pressed by Chinese President Xi Jinping, the result has been that China is already ahead of the United States in certain areas, essential to its overall aim of progressing from homeland and periphery defense to global power projection, the report said. The PRC has the largest navy in the world, with an overall battle force of approximately 350 ships and submarines, including over 130 major surface combatants, the report said. That's compared to the US Navy's current battle force of 295 ships. In addition, the PRC has more than 1,250 ground-launched ballistic missiles (GLBMs) and a ground-launched cruise missiles (GLCMs) with ranges between 500 and 5,500 kilometers, while the US currently fields one of the types of conventional GLBM with a range of 70 to 300 kilometers and no GLCMs, the report said. In some respects, China is also ahead on integrated air defense systems with a mix of Russian-built and homegrown systems. The PRC has one of the world's largest forces of advanced long-range surface-to-air systems, including Russian-built S-400, S-300 and domestically produced anti-air systems, making up part of its robust and redundant integrated air defense systems. Despite the advances, the PLA remains in position of inferiority to the US in overall military strength, said Chad Sabragia, the Deputy Assistant Secretary of Defense for China. At an earlier Pentagon briefing on the report, Spragia said Beijing's military power strategy was driven by the view that the US has decided upon a long period of confrontation to counter the global spread of China's influence. He said that China increasingly views the United States as more willing to confront Beijing on matters where the US and PRC interests are inimical. The CCP leaders view the United States security alliances and partnerships, especially those in the Indo-Pacific region, as destabilizing and inconciliable with China's interest. The DoD report, titled Military and Security Development Involving the People's Republic of China, comes about 2 weeks before Congress is set to return from the recess to convene a Senate-House Conference Committee on the National Defense Authorization Act and the defense budget for fiscal year 2021. Defense Secretary Mark Esper has acknowledged downward pressure on the defense budget to offset the enormous cost of the COVID-19 response, while arguing for sustained increases of 3 to 5% in defense spending in future years to maintain US superiority and readiness. As this report shows, the CCP desires the PLA to become a practical instrument of its statecraft with an active role in advancing the PRC's foreign policy, particularly with respect to the PRC increasing global interest and its aim to revise aspects of the international order. Thank you for watching videos, and for more videos please subscribe.